Welcome aboard Shay on the PA. Recently on a flight, a passenger comes to the back and asks if she could move seats because the passenger behind her keeps farting. That passenger was the partner of one of the flight attendants. So he says to me, "He's not coughing. Do you hear him coughing?" I said, "No, I don't hear him coughing." So he walks off. I look at the other flight attendant and say, "No, he's not coughing. He's farting." Baby, the laughing we did. People so nasty. You can't make this stuff up. See you next time. Bye.